Welcome to Learn Short and Typing with Vikas sir. The Hindu editorial dictation a colonial relic. सॉरी दोस्तों, आज थोड़ा सा लेट हो गया है, थोड़ा सा काफ़ी लेट हो गया है आर्टिकल को रिकॉर्ड करने में, उसके लिए सॉरी। चलिए हम अपनी डिक्टेशन पे आते हैं। देखो, इस डिक्टेशन का आपको बेनिफिट क्या क्या मिलता है। इस डिक्टेशन में आपको बेनिफिट ये मिलता है कि ऑल ओवर में आपको एक पूरा ऑल ओवर में आपको एक मोरल बता देता हूँ कि ये क्या है, किस बारे में है। ये आर्टिकल आपको आउटलाइन तो मिलेगी, लेकिन इसको आपको जनरल पॉइंट ऑफ व्यू से भी आप उसको देखोगे। ओके, जैसे आज का आर्टिकल आया हुआ है एक कॉलोनियल रिलिक का मीनिंग क्या होता है आपका। रिलिक का आपका मीनिंग आप कमेंट बॉक्स में कीजिए, और कॉलोनियल का भी मीनिंग आप कमेंट बॉक्स में कीजिए। चलिए, हेडिंग क्या होता है, रिपीटेड मिसयूज ऑफ सेडिशन लॉ। ये आर्टिकल आपका सेडिशन लॉ रिपीट कर रहा है, मिसयूज हो रहा है सेडिशन लॉ का। अंडरलाइंस द नीड टू स्क्रैप इट ऑल टुगेदर। ये बोले हैं, ऑथर बोला अंडरलाइन, इसको ज़रूरत है, टू स्क्रैप मतलब इसको खारिज करने की, इट टुगेदर। ओके, चलिए हम डिस्कस करते हैं अपने आर्टिकल का। 100 वर्ड पर मिनट्स, बी रेडी, स्टार्ट। A Sessions Court in Delhi has affirmed the belief that a dispassionate scrutiny of outlandish claims by the police is necessary for promoting by the liberty of those jailed on flimsy, often political reasons, rejecting the purported evidence presented by the Delhi police against climate change activist Disha Ravi as scanty and sketchy. Judge Dharmendra Rana has granted bail to the 20-year-old arrested for nothing more than editing a document shared among a network of activists raising a global support for the farmers' protests against three central laws, even though it was quite obvious that the claim of a global conspiracy behind the unsavory and violent incidents that took place on January 26 in New Delhi lacked credence. The order of bail is still notable for subjecting the specific charges to strict judicial scrutiny at a fairly early stage. In particular, the judge has applied the established test for a charge of sedition under Section 124A of the IPC to pass muster that the act involved must constitute a threat to public order and incitement to violence. He found that there was not even an iota of evidence indicating that the toolkit, a shared Google Cloud document with ideas on how to go about amplifying the protest in any way incited violence. He was clear that there was no causal link between the violence and MS Ravi, a conclusion that confirmed widespread criticism that the arrest was unnecessary and that the entire case was nothing more than a reflection of government paranoia. The episode highlights a trend that has caused concern in recent times the tendency of the rulers to trade instances of dissent, especially involving strident criticism of policies and laws in which particular regimes are deeply invested, as attempts to provoke dissatisfaction and disloyalty. Hence, it is significant that the judge not only saw MS Ravi's activism as related to her freedom of speech and expression, but went on to say that an attempt to reach a global audience is part of that freedom. In the backdrop of claim that those who prepared the toolkit made common cause with Khalistani separatists, Judge Rana showed refreshing clarity in maintaining that their interaction with a group with dubious credential could not be used to consider someone culpable. It should also be underscored that such bail orders should not be rare or special but be routine judicial responses to cases in which there is a mismatch between the accusation and the evidence. It is by now fairly clear to everyone except perhaps the government and its vociferous supporters that there is no place in a modern democracy for a colonial era legal provision such as sedition, too broadly defined, prone to misuse and functioning as a handy tool to repress activism. The section deserves to be scrapped. Full stop. स्टूडेंट इसको आप टाइप कीजिए, टाइप करने के बाद इसको मैच कीजिए। ओके, अगर आपको डिक्टेशन अच्छे लगते हैं डिक्टेशन को लाइक कीजिए, शेयर कीजिए अपने फ्रेंड सर्कल के साथ, और जो बच्चा हमारे साथ नया जुड़ा है तो उसको चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। ओके, थैंक यू वेरी मच।